Hi YouTube, this is Gracie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a lot of fun and I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying my hardest to get to 100 subscribers and we are almost there. As of now, we are at 98 subscribers. When we finally hit 100, I'm going to be having a big celebration video for you guys, so definitely stay tuned and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. For all of those who are subscribed and interact with my videos, thank you so much for being here with me on this journey. I've had so much fun making these videos, so stay tuned for more. If you are subscribed, then you know I love to Disneybound, and I've already done a Disneybounding video before, so today's video is going to be very similar to that. I am going to be Disneybounding as the Abominable Snowman from the Matterhorn in Disneyland, and his name just so happens to be Harrold with one R, and my last name is Harrold with two R's, so I had to Disneybound as him. It was just inevitable. Today's video is going to be all about the outfit and where I got each piece, as well as a cheeky DIY just thrown in there a little bit. And I'm going to be taking you on an adventure in the end, so stay tuned throughout the whole video. It's going to be a lot of fun. To begin, I saw these white short alls from Target just by chance, and that's what started this whole process. I saw these and I knew instantly I needed to be Harrold, the Abominable Snowman. And I also happened to have a blue shirt that I got from Target. Now this is something, a bit of a sore subject, I guess, or a bit of a conversation piece for Disneybounders, is the colors. Very specific colors, especially blues and greens, are really hard to match. So a lot of Disneybounders tend to do something more like as a nod to the character versus the exact color, because it may not always go with the outfit that you're wanting to wear. So that's why I went with this more subtle blue versus the actual brighter blue or even darker blue than his face and hands, because it kind of has like a two-tone going on there. Next, I went on Amazon and I found this gray backpack that is an Everest brand. I don't know much about this brand, but it was perfect for this Disneybound because it is a mountain. I know it's not the Matterhorn mountain, but it's Everest, and I thought that was kind of funny. I also went to Hobby Lobby and found this patch that actually glows in the dark, so I thought it would be a lot of fun to wear this backpack in the parks and have it transition from day to night. I thought it would be a lot of fun. Also, from light to dark, when you go into those dark rides, I thought it would be a lot of fun to have it light up. On Amazon, I found the red sunglasses that I'm wearing in this outfit and the blue socks. I got a big giant pack of these blue socks and I was really happy about it. But at Hobby Lobby, I found the white little keychain puff that I'm going to be DIYing a little bit. I wanted to mention the fact that in the parks, I usually wear backpacks, as a lot of people do, but if you're wanting to wear a Disneybounding outfit from like in your day-to-day life, a purse or some other sort of bag would definitely do. In the end of the video, you'll see me with a gray purse that I've added the little puff keychain to. For the gray, I was trying to represent the mountain in some way without it being like exact. I didn't want to have like a mountain purse, so I was going with something gray to represent the mountain. Last but not least are the shoes. I went with a white high top Converse to, again, just finish up with all of the white. Without further ado, let's get into the DIY. These are all the items that you're going to need for this project, as well as a hot glue gun. This is the little keychain pom-pom that I got. I'm going to be putting basically just like a little face on here by using these little felt pieces that I got from Joann's. This one's a little bit thicker, and then this is just like a really thin one. I'm going to be cutting the fangs out of this, or the teeth out of this, and then his face with the light blue. Going to be using the red little gems here for his eyes, and then some fabric marker to draw in his mouth, his little smile, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to be cutting out the blue first with some scissors, and I'm just going to be cutting like an oval or like a bean shape out of it. I have my cute little quirky face, all I have to do is hot glue it onto the little puff ball and he'll be all finished. To do this, I picked the flattest side I could find, and I'm going to be brushing out all of the little hairs to kind of make like a nice little spot for it to sit on. Now I'm just going to hot glue the back side of it. I think you can also use like fabric glue, but I'm just using hot glue. Ooh, almost burnt my fingers. So definitely be careful. It's very, very hot. Okay, just a nice dollop of hot glue, and I'm just going to press that on. It's very warm, so definitely be careful. And now Harrold is all finished and ready to go on my bag or backpack. He's so cute. I really am very happy with how he turned out. He's a happy little guy. Now that we're done with our DIY, let's go on a little adventure. So usually when I go to the parks, I go to Starbucks to kind of get, you know, fueled up, ready to go for the day. So my adventure starts off at Starbucks. I wanted to make a drink that was resembling the Matterhorn macaroons that they have at the parks. I've never actually had one, but I looked it up and I saw that the flavors were coconut and almonds. So I went and I got myself a iced coconut almond milk shaken espresso. I have to look at my paper here because it's a very long order. This is actually inspired by a specific recipe I found online, and I'll be showing that right here for you guys so you can look it up if you'd like and make one for yourself. But this is the drink that I went to Starbucks and got for myself. Then we went on a little bit more of an adventure, so come along with me.
Starbucks, hey, my name's Rita. How's it going?
Yeah, you're open.
We got it.
It's so empty out here. I was hoping maybe you could make a like a grande iced coconut almond milk shaken espresso. Is that possible?
So you want a shaken espresso but with coconut and almond milk?
Sure.
Okay, what's that?
Just a grande.
Perfect. What else can I get you?
A venti mocha frappuccino.
Okay.
And that's it. It's slightly funky, but it's really sweet. I like it. Much less painful than the bobsleds, so would rather do the slide than that ride at Disneyland, just saying. Enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. hit that subscribe button. Join us on getting to 100 subscribers. Stay tuned for next week's video. I'll see you next time. Bye!